It's going to accelerate the development of technology at scale, but we are going to use it as a marketing company. You got to figure out how to use this to get things moving faster for yourself. I want to talk about something that you guys have not heard about, all right? I'm just kidding. You guys have all heard about it because everybody's talking about it and it's taking the world by storm, and it's called ChatGPT. And the platform is still free, but I have been playing around with it. So I know some of you guys have been playing around with it too. I think it's time for me to teach you about it, for those of you guys that don't know, and also to give you some of my ideas on how to leverage it and how to use it, because it is ridiculous. Here's my opinion on the platform. It's not gonna replace humans. It's not going to. It's gonna make humans more efficient, all right? That's the way I feel about this platform. The idea is not to stop working. The idea is to be able to be more efficient in our workflows and to have more production in general. We can do more with less. This technology, this artificial intelligence is being rolled out right now, which is Web 3.0 and the future of this planet. And when it comes to technology, it's just getting started. Let me tell you something. For the agency, this is a major, major, major tool. And we got to start using it. People like Mac, the copywriters at AGM, the Facebook ad media buyers, the YouTube people that are working on YouTube accounts, the content creators, the graphic designers, the book authors, it really is so massive. It really is something that is like, and I'm gonna give you guys some examples so you get to understand, because you gotta know what to communicate. Here's where the human element comes in. The platform is limited by your ability to communicate with it. You gotta ask the questions. You gotta request things from it for it to actually give you the value that you can get from it. But once you get how to use it, man, your mind is gonna start going crazy with it. You're gonna start seeing like technology being rolled out that is being coded and programmed by these guys, by, like programmers that spend hours, 12 hours in a day creating one particular set of codes are gonna be able to do it in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes. So imagine, how the technology is going to now accelerate at a much faster pace. Just like, for example, to be honest, COVID accelerated the internet, and instead of like becoming massive in the next decade, it became massive in 2 years with COVID. Like brands like Natural Slim, we exploded during COVID because everybody transitioned over to the internet and to social media. This is gonna happen with artificial intelligence like this. It's gonna accelerate the development of technology at scale, but we are gonna use it as a marketing company. And anybody that's watching this piece of content, as a brand builder, as a marketer that you are, as a business individual, an entrepreneur, you gotta figure out how to use this to get things moving faster for yourself. So again, it's about optimization of time. If you guys can become 10 times more efficient, we can produce a lot more, we can get a lot more results for clients, we can generate a lot more growth for the organization, because humans, which I still need and want all of you, are gonna become more valuable. And that's the idea. And this is applicable to all departments and all areas across the board. So how do we turn this into something for our marketing company? How do we turn this into something for business, for brands, for events, for all the things that we're doing? I made a list of questions just off the top of my head that we can ask so you guys can start understanding how to use this tool, which happens to be true. If you wanna use it, Dan, do you wanna use it? Approved, all right? Great. I am approving all purchase orders to use this particular tool because right now it is free to use for the time being, all right? So it's only limited by your imagination. This particular tool that you can all use right now is limited exclusively by your ability to imagine how to use it, all right? It is that freaking powerful, and it's only going to get better and stronger. So let's look at an example for this, all right? Business, marketing. I'm gonna ask a question here. I'm not gonna ask a question, I'm gonna give him a command. Create a social media ad for an HVAC company. Okay, let's see what it does. Again, I did not script this ahead of time. I did not practice it and see what the responses are. This is not planned at all. I am literally just asking questions for the first time ever to the platform, all right? Let's see the response to see if it's better than Mac. Where's Mac? Mac is right here, okay? So again, Mac, your job is not in danger because what you do right now is that you take these responses as inspiration to make them human, all right? Because the humans are irreplaceable. They are irreplaceable. We're not going away anytime soon. This whole thing, like the Will Smith, like iRobot movie, whatever that's called, it's not happening like that, guys. We're still gonna be in control. That's just a reality. This whole platform is built by humans, and we are just gonna take it to a whole different level. So we're gonna become more productive with it, all right? So it's limited by all our abilities. So, Mac, you take this thing right here, let's see what it says. Keep your home comfortable all year round with ABC HVAC. From furnace repairs to air conditioning installations, our team of certified technicians has got you covered. Don't let a broken HVAC system ruin your day. Call us today to schedule your appointment. Plus, mention this ad and get 10% off your first service. Hashtag HVAC, hashtag comfort, hashtag home. Can you believe that this freaking machine even threw out the hashtags? How crazy is that? And it says, you can also include an image of a happy family. It's suggesting you on the creative, guys. It's even suggesting you what type of creative to request based on their intelligence. You can also include an image of a happy family in a warm and comfortable home, or an image of a technician working on an HVAC system with a caption, trust the expert at ABC HVAC to keep your home comfortable. Whoa. Note, please double check all details and information before you post the ad to make sure it's accurate. Interesting now, it's also it's trying to be also a quality control for you, right? Don't just be posting it like that. Make sure that the details are correct. Now check this out. Correct, you can regenerate it, right? You can try it again, but here, let's expand it, all right? Who liked that ad variation? It's pretty darn good, right? First of all, the grammar is perfect, all right? There's no errors with the grammar. Second of all, it's pretty damn accurate, right? They recognize what the HVAC company stands for, what they service, what problems they solve, and they put it inside the thing. What was the question that you wanted to ask? What are the top, oh, that's a great question, all right? And we're gonna wrap it up with this one. What are the top keywords for Google Ads for HVAC companies? There are many keywords that HVAC companies might use for Google ad campaigns. Some examples of top keywords for HVAC companies include HVAC repair, air conditioner repair, furnace repair, HVAC service, air conditioning service, furnace service, HVAC installation, air conditioning installation, furnace installation, HVAC maintenance, air conditioning maintenance, furnace maintenance, HVAC contractor, air conditioning contractor, HVAC company, air conditioning company, furnace company, HVAC near me, air conditioning near me. These are just examples, and it is important to research and choose the keywords that are most relevant to your HVAC company and the services you offer. Also, it is important to constantly monitor your keywords performance. Thanks for the advice. And adjust them accordingly to make sure you get the best results. So how about if you say, give me 100 keywords, right? It will give you 100 keywords. Copy and paste them, off you go, plug them into Google. You can get much more in depth, you can get more sophisticated, you can ask questions, you can handle your own questions and concerns. Like, how do I convince a brand owner of a supplement company to join my marketing company, right? Get advice, get the thing to recommend, because here's the thing, it is crawling through the internet at instant seconds, right? And putting all the data together and giving you this intelligence responses. And that's what it's doing. So you have the world, the cliche-ish, all right? The world at your fingertips. The entire world of the internet is gonna be put in this place that you can answer. This, guys, it is a massive threat for the first time ever to this thing that you guys all know as Google. For the first time ever, and Google, Microsoft is actually getting involved in this thing. Here's the thing, I am going now, it's common sense as to why it is a threat, all right? It's very logical. The reason why Google makes so much money, 95% of it is ad revenue from their Google search platform. You guys know that, right? So this is what's happening now. People like me are not Googling stuff anymore. I am using this thing to get my answers. So the search engine doesn't have the ability to show ads to me. Very commonsensical, all right? It's nothing strange. So platforms like Google are threatened by it, even though they're not really publicly stating it. They are going to be affected by it because some people are going to do what I'm doing more and more and more, which is go to their phones and use the chat app. And I would even pay for it once they actually make a paid plan because it is that powerful and that special. Who thinks that's going to make you more effective as a marketer? All right? Who thinks that that's going to help us get better results for clients? Let's use it, guys. Let's freaking use it. All right? Especially now that it's free, we can go in there and start diving into it. Wasn't that amazing? All right, good. Let's go, guys.